Hey, this isn't a sponsored video, but I've seen this for quite a while in Farm Collector magazine, and couldn't help but give it a try. So this is a grease end fitting, lock and lube grease coupler. Locks onto the Zerk fitting. I guess there's some fingers there that open up and grab onto the Zerk, and keeps it from popping off or coming loose when you start pumping. So I'm going to give it a try. Also, they suggested this and I went ahead and got it. This is a swivel, screws in here, and then now you can pivot, swivel, so you can mate up your lock and lube grease end fitting grease coupler. So I'm going to give it a try, let you guys know how it works. Again, this is lock and lube, not sponsored, and there it is. Alright, here it is installed on the end of my grease gun, and again there's the swivel. So hopefully I find this handy. Let's go try it out. Here I'm at John Deere. There's a Zerk here. Squeeze it down, pokes on, let go, it doesn't come off. Give it a couple of pumps. There we go. Another Zerk here on the axle. Pull it back. Pokes on real easy. Doesn't come off. And you can pump all you want. And then comes right off. That's it. I've been using the lock and lube for about a year now, and I'm totally pleased with it. It's worked out very well. It's avoids the frustration of popping off the end of a standard fitting. Sometimes these are over tight and they don't push on or come off very easy, and sometimes they're too loose and they pop off when you just wiggle it a little. But with this lock and lube, you get the teeth that grab on. So yep, totally happy. Let me know what you guys think. Like and subscribe like usual, and hit that thumbs up. Alright, that's it.